check this out. Our latest iPhone hack is going to make your life easier. It's going to make it healthier. And here's why. If you didn't know, your phone emits microwave radiation at extreme levels. I will just demonstrate that here. You're going to see the RF meter get really hot, over 3 million microwatts. What's a high level? Well, Building Biology Institute says that anything over 1,000 is extreme, and we're at 3 million. So this is a big deal. In the past, you would have had to go into your settings and disable the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and the cellular antenna to stop that radiation. You can see once I've done that, our peak level's back down to where it was before. Not very convenient, right? So what we've done is created this hack that will allow you, at the push of a button, to either turn your Wi-Fi and cellular and Bluetooth back on. You can make and receive calls, check your email, do whatever you need to do. But then if you want to reduce your radiation exposure, you can, at the push of a button, turn all of those antennas off. And at this point, you can put it back in your pocket safely. You can also connect it to an Ethernet connector, and I've got more information about that on my blog to do all of the things you would normally do with your phone antennas on. So that's it. It's super simple, super cool. It's going to make your life healthier, and you can get more info on this in our store.